Hi, seniors. This is Mrs. Greenhill. I was asked to give you little tips on making something in the dorms. Right now, I'm making some chili because it's really cold outside, but you're not going to have that option in the dorms. But what you do have is a microwave. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy recipe that you can make while you're in dorms. It's called omelet in a mug. So I'm going to take 3 eggs, crack them right in a mug. All right, going to add a splash of milk, a little bit of cheese, and I actually have a little bit of ham here. So what's nice with this recipe is you can use anything that you have on hand. Here we go. So if you are in the cafeteria and you see some fresh spinach or some peppers or even just some salsa that you may have in your fridge, you can mix that in here. Now, eggs are a great way to get protein. They'll fill you up, and then you can just make breakfast right in your dorm. I'm going to pop this in the microwave for 3 minutes. All right, so here we go. Here's my omelet in a mug, and it only took 3 minutes. You just need to stir it halfway between. And like I said, you could put whatever you want in there. One last piece of advice that I would give is be careful in that cafeteria. Be careful of those late night pizzas. Try your best to stick to fruits, vegetables, balanced meals. It can be hard because there's a lot of tempting foods when you go away to college, but try to make healthy choices, and best of luck.